Hi everyone, today I am going to be showing you how to make these super cute stacked boutiques, and as you can see they have got a slightly different tail on them, gives them a different look to standard. Super cute, just a little bit different, and they've also got the 3 bumps instead of the standard 2 on smaller ones, which can make all the difference. And we're going to use 3-inch ribbon for this version, and you will need your fabric scissors to cut your ribbon, your alligator clip to attach the bow to, some dress pins to hold things in place as you're going along, or alternatively some pronged clips, your ribbon obviously, tape measure, lighter to heat seal or your ribbon, your upholstery thread, extra strength thread or pearl thread, never cotton, so you can cinch bows nicely without your thread snapping, and your needle to stitch everything together. Okay, and underneath here I've got my ribbon all ready to go, and as I said, it is 3-inch ribbon, and we've got the corresponding matching 9mm for the middle. And you need 3 pieces in total. We've got 1 12 inches, 11 inches and 8 inches for the tail. Okay, and all we do, teeny tiny overlap, like I said, about a 1/4 of a centimetre, 1/2 centimetre, something like that, just enough so you can stitch through your layers. We bring that up to the original crease that we have done and pin that back in place just so we've got enough to stitch every layer. And just so you know, I have heat sealed all 6 ends on all pieces. I've folded them and I have creased on the centre of all 3 pieces, like so. And again, for the 11, just a tiny bit over. Pin a second. Bring it up to that original crease there. Pin through everything. And what I do is I flip them all so I can see the crease on all. And instead of doing it in layers, like doing one and then stacking on top, the easiest way to do this is use that crease. So you can see crease perfectly lined up on all 3 pieces, and then I take one of my holding clips. Okay, and we should be able to take out the pins. There's one. Another one that side, just so I can get that out. Otherwise it stays in the bow when we're stitching and we don't want that. There we go. So that's what you'd get look like. So there's your bit to cut your tails, and there's the beginning of your stacked boutique. And as you can see, got a little bit of an overlap. If you want more of an overlap, because obviously as you can see That's not very much of one. If you wanted to do more, you could do 12 and 10. It's entirely up to you, personal preferences and all that. Like I said, that's my favourite thing about ribbon. You can sort of adjust certain shapes, especially the tux ones, to best suit your personal choice. The only measurements that I would never advise messing around with is if you're watching any boutique based tutorial and they give you certain sizes, always stick to them. But we're going to go in from that first point there from above, and it's a standard 6 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if you've lined up everything properly, you will have caught all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your layers. And we want 1, 2, 3 at the back, and in 1, 2 out on the front. Best thing about red ribbon, nice and clear, easy to see those stitches, and you pull in like so, so you get your nice 3 creases. Wrap around, 1, 2, 3, and stitch off. And cut off that excess. Adjust everything so it sits nicely like so. Everything is nice and centered as it should be. There we go. Just going to move that a little bit. There we go, that's better. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a slight curve and then a little flip. And you go from the point of your original base bow there, round, and kick out. And you can go as deep or as shallow on that bit as you want. Like I said, it's all about personal choice. You could just cut up if you wanted to. You could literally cut completely straight. You can do any design on your tails that you sort of like. This is just to give it a little bit of a slightly different look than the standard. Just heat seal that all like so, and then got our alligator clip, and we're just going to put a top proper glue there, like so. Pop that right on the middle like that. Just move my glue stringers because I've had it on most of the day since about 4 o'clock this afternoon. It's now much later than that, I won't tell you, but let's just say I'm an insomniac. And we're in the AM of the... There we go. When I want to do things, my brain does not turn off. Gonna heat seal the end of our 9mm. There we go. Drop a glue. open our clip. Hold it down a second. Wrap round once. Open. Nice and tight. Round again. Work out how much excess you've got. Cut that off. Heat seal that end. Touch glue just here. Open clip and set that down. And there you go. Super pretty. I think this one is scarlet red. As you can see, all your layers are all nicely. Like I said, the main thing about this is making sure you've stitched through all your layers and nothing's coming loose and moving about in there. So there's your scarlet version in 3. Nice pink version in 3. This is a pink in 2-inch. Got another colour of pink. Can't remember which one this one is. I think that one is shocking pink and that one is God knows. But it's got the lovely silver edge and they're in the 1.5. Like I said, they're super cute, super simple. You can adjust these, like I said, however you want. Like I said, straight up, curve round. You could make them curves. You can do spikes. Anything you particularly like, just to make them just a little bit different. You could do plain ribbon at the bottom, patterned at the top. You can just play around with it and do whatever designs that you want. Like I said, just remember though, normally on the smaller ones, the 1.5 and the 2, you would only do 4 stitches, not 6. On these ones you always do 6 regardless. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to get notified when I release new videos. Like I said, it's normally Tuesday and Friday, but at the moment it's whenever I feel like it. Don't forget to join me over on Facebook. It's under the same name, Catherine's Ribbon Bow Tutorials and Follow Alongs. I love seeing your versions of my tutorials, and if you need any extra help on absolutely anything, feel free to ask me. I will do you extra live tutorials if you need to, or any other tips and help that you might want. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.